Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and this has been a while since I've done a video. So this is my NovoKool 6200 12 volt 120 volt refrigerator that I bought for SY Sublime. I'm just going to do an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've just been busy working, so yeah, anyway, so I'll just go cut all this stuff off and then we'll get to the meat of it. So we got to the top part of it with the box, all the outer stuff taken off it, and we got the top part of it done. There was a dent here, box was damaged, but it didn't seem to go through. It didn't go through here, so it doesn't look like there's any damage there. I still have to take the under the bottom of the fridge, so I can slide the box over it. I don't know if I can do that actually, but we'll see. So yeah, this is it so far. So this is the NovoKool 6200 just laying down on its side, on its back, so I can get the unit out, or maybe push it back and slide the box over the top. Somehow I've got to get it off, so that's just how it gets packed on the bottom. There's no damage on the bottom, looks okay. So this is a NovoKool 6200 out of its box. There's no damage to the side of it, no damage to the top. This is the back. This is the 120 outlet that I'm going to plug straight into my 120 outlet for when I'm in port. And these are the 12 volt outlets. For the 12 volt outlet, I'm going to plug those into a 12 volt outlet behind the fridge. I guess it's a cooling thing, the fan. That's the compressor. Seems to be no damage here. It's not as big as I thought it was. It looks bigger in the picture. The only gripe I have is, I guess this is galvanized metal. I think over time, eventually with salt air in the boat, this will rust out. But not before this here will always go out. I found one of these at the marina I live at, and I should have kept it. All I needed to do was just replace this. It would have been fine. But anyway, this is the back side of it. The wiring diagram on how to wire it, which is pretty basic. Plug this into 120, this into the 12 volt outlet, and that's it. So I'm going to put a 12 volt outlet on this. I'm going to put a 12 volt plug on this. I'm going to make longer ones. I'll make probably these out of 10 gauge, make them longer, and make a plug out of it. So that's the outside. Right, let's do the inside. Hopefully I can just reuse this stuff and wrap it back up, so I can get it back in the box so I can take it down to my storage. I'm not ready to install this yet. I've got 7 more Vitas TZ631 port lights to put in my boat and 3 hatches. I've got fiberglass dust everywhere on my boat. I'll give you some updates on that next time I go down there. Okay, let's have a gander inside. It's got secure locks on top. Press button locks to open this up. No, we've got to flip that. So got a lock to stop it from opening while you're underway. It's the fridge. Okay. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but oh, whatever. So this is the interior of the fridge. Crisper. Ice cube makers. Oh, they've even got lids for the ice cube makers so you don't spill water everywhere. Cool, look at that. It's kind of cool. Instructions. Yeah, so this is inside of the fridge. It's a light. So this is the cooling unit up top here. the pull-out defroster tray, I guess. Yeah, the fridge that I found, one of these that I found, a lot of this stuff in here was missing, but I could have easily bought that. Okay, so that's the fridge part, the door. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Maybe I should have got the bigger one, the 7200. So that's that. And then the freezer down here. And the freezer's a lot bigger than my freezer that's on my current DC 120 fridge. It's a lot bigger. So yeah, this is the freezer down the bottom. Yeah. Drip tray, freezer, that's pretty much about it, really. Not much to it, honestly. But on the picture it looks bigger. Just looks bigger for some reason. So I hope it's okay. That's that. I may get a stainless steel cover for the doors. I might just go and get one cut, some polished stainless steel, and get one cut, make it look pretty. Because all my rest of my appliances are all stainless steel, so I might make this look stainless steelish, kind of looking. Ouch. And then the flange here, it's gonna go up. I've got to install it somehow. These may be a problem. These screws. I may have to take these out and put pop rivets in it. Because of the clearance on the sides. I got very small clearance on the side now. If I'm going to put a block of wood together, it's just going to interfere. I have to individually cut every one of those out and notch it out a bit. So yeah, so that's the NovoKool 6200 120 AC 12 volt DC. I think this could work on a 24 volt system, I'm just not sure. Anyway, this is SY Sublime. Check it out. Sandy toes and margaritas.